How to fix 8-ball pool crashing or freezing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're playing 8-ball pool and experiencing crashes, freezing, or the game getting stuck, the first thing you want to do is to restart the 8-ball pool game. Drag from the bottom of the screen and push it upwards to bring up the app switcher. Push off the app switcher at the top like this, and then you'll be able to force close the app. Now launch open 8-ball pool once again, and this will restart the game. After restarting the game, you might notice a bit of an improvement. If the problem still persists, then the next thing you want to try out is to restart your device. A simple restart can clear temporary system problems that may cause the game to freeze. Now the next thing you want to make sure is that you are connected to a stable internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or if you're using mobile, it might be your mobile data as well. Switch between the connections to see which connection is causing the problem. The next thing you want to do, if nothing else works, just go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for 8-ball pool in the search bar. Just type in the game's name and then in the search result, go ahead and look for an update button if available. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of the app. Once it's done, launch the game open and see if it still has the same issue. Sometimes if you don't have enough storage space on your device, then it can cause the game to behave unexpectedly. Make sure you have enough available storage. If you do, you might be able to get your game running smoothly. So that is how you can fix 8-ball pool crashing or freezing issue. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.